So today we are speaking about sound I, short sound I. Just smile and say I, 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 I. And let's see some words starting with sound I. The first word is in. We can put the toy in the box. In the box. In. And the next word is ink. Ink is a liquid that is inside the pen. Or it can be a liquid that is in some glass and we put there the pen and write with this ink. Sometimes ink can make some stains. This is ink. And the next word is insect. Insect. Insects can be very small, but sometimes can be very annoying or very beautiful. There are so many different insects. What insects do you know? Do you know the bee, the butterfly, spider, ant? All these are insects. Insect. And the next word is igloo. Igloo. What is igloo? Igloo is a kind of house built from ice and snow. It is round and it can protect from wind and big frost. So this is igloo. Igloo. So these are the words starting with I. But there are many words, a lot of words that hide sound I in the middle of the words. For example, sit, milk, pink, kitten, sing, fish, king. All these words have sound I, but it is hiding in the middle of the word. That's all for I now, and let's move on to our exercises.